हेलो हाय दिस इज शेफ विवेक और आज हम बनाने वाले हैं द बेस्ट विंग्स रेसिपी एवर पॉसिबल. ये है मोस्ट लव, दिस इज द मोस्ट कंज्यूम. What I'm talking about is the barbecue style chicken wings. Actually barbecue style chicken wings बनाने के लिए आपको 15-20 चीज़ें की ज़रूरत है. But thanks to Nandus, you have the marinated meat, you also have the sauce, so you actually don't have to do anything. Now what we'll do is I'll just cut off the packet and we'll start cooking. So you take oil, put it on a hot pan, not more, 1 or 2 tablespoons is good enough. Now we'll wait for the oil to get hot, and once it's hot, this goes inside that. Now time for the wings to go into the pan. Oh, it smells amazing. Yeah? Lovely spices. They have nice chilies, they have good black pepper, nice vinegar, salt. Wow. We just put the lid and gave it 5 to 6 minutes for it to cook off. Once when you open this, आप देखते हो जो पानी है in and around the ढक्कन, that water is important. You should never throw it off. क्यों? Because ये करेगा pan को deglaze. Now this is the most loved part of the product, is the sauce. And the product is so beautifully easy that all I have to do is cut and hold. And now once when you pour in the sauce, just lower the temperature because you want to reduce the sauce slowly and enhance the sweetness and not make it bitter. Now our chicken wings are almost ready, but there's a very small final touch. Like I said, butter is always better. 2 cubes of butter, perfect, nothing to worry about. And now is where we crank up the heat to cook the wings. Now, why high heat is because the idea is simple. You want the sauce to dry out and it to coat the wings, and that is all you have to do. The product is ready. Now it's time to plate the barbecue wings. So how I usually like it is the flatter wings, I place it on the bottom, which basically acts as a bed for the chunkier parts. And now just to add a touch of color, toasted sesame we pour on top, and the most loved herb of mine, which is spring onions. The most perfect, quickest, easiest barbecue chicken wings, thanks to Nandus, is done.